Welcome to our channel Explore Life with Shutapa. I am back with another video, and this is about exploring Henry Island and Frasergun Beach for birds, wildlife and nature. In my last video of the series, I have covered our journey from Kolkata to Bokhali, the resort where we have stayed in, and the birding session at the Kargil beach during evening, the day of our arrival, and also during the next morning. If you have not watched those videos, I am providing the link in the description box. You can watch if you are interested. So, what are the birds and wildlife we found at Henry Island and Fraserganj Beach? To know, please keep watching the video till the end. So, without any further delay, let's start this video. On 25th October 2025, we started for Henry Island at around 2:30 pm. It was low tide time and we wanted to explore the area and nature there. The route to Henry Island is through villages of rural Bengal and is very beautiful. The area near Henry Island resembles the coastal habitat. We soon reached the entry gate of the Henry Island. The road to Henry Island is motorable, but it is a little bumpy ride. We went there in a Toto owned by Ranjan Patra. I am sharing his phone number on the screen and in the description box for your convenience. We had to pay a fees of rupees 25 at the ticket counter for entry to this place. There are some staying facility inside Henry Island and these are owned by the West Bengal Tourism. So if anyone wants to stay inside Henry Island, they can book those through the website, West Bengal Tourism website. We reached the entry point of the area where we have to leave our Toto and then walk through this canopy or the bridge, whatever you call it. This bridge leads to the beach. The sky was cloudy when we started to walk on the bridge. This walk is through very beautiful paths surrounded by trees on both sides. This habitat resembles a bit of mangrove habitat, and here we spotted a few crabs. There was one crab which I could identify, which was red fiddler's crab. There are other fiddler's crab as well, and I really don't know their names. If you know, do let me know in the comment section. After exploring the habitat and photographing the various crabs, we went ahead. We had plans to explore the Henry Island for quite some time, but now it's getting cloudy. Let's see. We almost reached the end of this bridge, which is a beautiful canopy. This is the entrance to the beach. However, it was really sad to see the litter which was thrown by the tourists around this area. The beach of Henry Island is very beautiful and is a beach of white sand. We just explored the area around the opening of the canopy because local people say there are quicksand and dangerous creeks in this beach which may fill up fast on high tides, and it is better to avoid lonely places in Henry Island. On the beach, I could spot only two birds. Both were Tibetan sand plovers. Tibetan sand plover is a small plover which is commonly found in the beaches of Bengal. This bird breeds in high elevation lakes and rivers in China and Mongolia, and this winters on coastal mudflats, beaches, and inland lakes from Africa to Indonesia. After taking some photos and videos of the Tibetan sand plover, we decided to leave the beach area as it has started raining. Really bad luck that we could not spend more time at the beach. However, we spent some time at the Henry Island area. It's really beautiful. After Henry Island that day, we went to the Fraserganj beach. On the way, we spotted a marshland where we spotted some birds, a flock of whistling ducks. We then headed for the Fraserganj beach. The Fraserganj beach has been completely changed from the last time what we saw in 2023, and now a dam is made to prevent the seawater from entering the villages.
We are now at the Fraserganj beach. Here is the house of Fraserganj. As you can see, it's very beautiful, and the beach is also very beautiful. There are some birds as well.
However, the house of Fraserganj is still there and is beautiful as always. The Fraserganj beach home was built by Sir Andrew Fraser, the Lieutenant Government General of Bengal, who discovered this area. The original structure has been ruined by many cyclones, and what is left is a ruin which still looks beautiful. In Fraserganj beach, there are stairs to go to the top of the dam, and it was really a very nice, beautiful view from the top of the dam. We could find a fisherman catching fish, and then I noticed a bird, a common redshank. It was just a glimpse before it flew away. While we were enjoying the view, suddenly another bird landed near the shore, and I was really surprised because it was a very good catch. An Eurasian Wimbrel. Eurasian Wimbrel are large brown shorebirds with long decurved bill and bold head stripes. They can be found on mudflats, beaches, and coastal marshes. They breed in Arctic tundra and winters on the coastline as far as Australia and South Africa. These birds mainly feed on crabs, marine worms, and mollusks. So, this was all about our adventure that day at the Henry Island and Fraserganj Beach. If you have found this video enjoyable and helpful, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe because your encouragement gives us motivation to give videos on YouTube. Also, if you like such videos, do not forget to click on the notification bell so every time we upload a video, you will be notified. So, till the next video, next series, you all stay healthy, stay happy, and bye for now.